Hey guys, so if you decide to buy these AirWick plug-in scents, so they come two warmers and 6 refill, and it's pretty cool how Amazon packs it. So it comes in a box like this. Okay, I have one running right now. So you get your 6, nice and neat. I love the way they packed it. Take this out. They packed it so well that I can't even take it out. Okay, so you get 6 of them like that. So these are your little small bottles. I mean, they smell amazing. And they have different scents. You can buy different ones, refills. And you have your 2 warmers, which I have one plugged right now. These are pretty cool. They look just like this. You have your settings on top, how much you want to smell basically. If you want a lot or you want to buy a little bit, you plug it to your outlet. So basically, you'll grab your scent, you'll take it off the top, and you stick it in just like this, and you'll plug it against the wall. I can smell it already, it's not even plugged. Very good quality. Love it. And I love the way they packed it. Everything's cut for its size. Very nice. So recommend this, and where I plugged it smells so good. This one I'm gonna plug it in my room, and they smell so good. And this is the adjuster right here. You can turn this, and also you can turn this right here too. How is your outlet? You put it the way you like it. If your outlet is up, you go like that, go this way. It's up to you how the outlet goes, which really all of them go like this, but you can turn it too. Very nice, and it smells very good. Recommend it.